Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video, but been busy with life, work, and yeah. But here we are. This is a CBR 500R. I picked this up on a trade. Unfortunately, I have to trade the Yamaha R1 for this bike. It was a straight trade, and long story short, the bike needed a lot of work that I was unwilling to pay for, and it was unoperational for a bit due to the cam chain needed to be adjusted and valves needed to be done. And I'm not a mechanic, so I would have to take it to the shop. And if you know about bikes, it's not cheap to do engine work like that because essentially they have to pull the whole motor to do that job. Labor is going to kill me on that, so it was going to end up costing more than what the bike is worth. So I decided to trade for this 2018 Honda CBR 500R. And it's running. So I think it's a heck of a deal for a running bike. Now, of course, it's not perfect, but it runs, and that's what I care about. I don't intend to keep this bike long. I intend to sell it. But here she is. So I thought I might as well make a video on it before I sell it. Or who knows, I might keep it, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to sell it. So when I got the bike, the guy, I guess he learned on this bike or something, and it's been dropped like 2 million times. But to testament of Honda, man, this bike is a tank. These handlebars are bent. It's kind of like wonky. He's got some trash, cheapo mirrors that I want to take off. He broke signal light, scratched the fairings up from dropping it on both sides. I'm sure this is bent. Rear brake lever is bent. It's got scratched there, but no leaks. Trash, eBay exhaust. I don't know what this is, but it's not the original rear light. But it's okay. I guess it's this whole little, it comes together with this fender eliminator kit. The rear, not quick shifter seems to be okay. I think I did go ahead and order a new one. I'm going to replace that pedal, the clutch pedal and the rear brake pedal. I did not order the bars. I'm going to leave that up to the buyer. The only thing I'm doing so far is it's got brand new tires. I put some Pirellis on there, so really nice quality tires. This bike is a rebuilt, bonded title. I'm not sure what happened with that, but as far as the frame, it's pretty good. I don't see any like major damage to the frame, and I'm sure it's been just with anything like these beginner bikes, it's probably been dumped and totaled out by the insurance and been rebuilt. And it's probably just basic damage to it. Probably the fairings came off, the whole front piece probably came off, and they totaled the bike out, and someone else bought it and rebuilt it. And now I'm gonna rebuild it and sell it. Not rebuild it fully. Just doing a quick flip, get some money out of it to recoup costs from losing the R1, which I intended to keep. But sometimes you got to make better financial decisions, and I was not willing to continue to pay for a high mileage R1 from 2004. That's very unreliable. So I decided to sell it for something that's highly reliable and yeah, a Honda. Love Honda. I never had anything like quite this small. I will admit, riding it around was like really boring for me because I'm used to like 1,000 cc's. So it wasn't. I didn't really get like a wow factor, which you don't really get one of these for a wow factor unless you're like a beginner. I guess if you're a beginner riding this bike, this is gonna be like amazing. But for like an experienced rider, it's pretty boring. But modest in itself. I mean, if you're an economical rider, which I tend to kind of lean towards now, myself, I don't really do too much craziness. It works nicely. So it's got, I guess this would be this is a digital dash. It's got 25K miles on it now. Gas gauge, wonderful. And then it starts fine. I'm not gonna start it because I'm in my apartment right now. So, but just to give you kind of a little glimpse of her. Comes with LEDs stock and they're quite bright. Can't complain about those. The looks does look good. So those are the rear lights, which are, I'm not sure what brand those are, but she's quite nice. The sound is as you would expect for one of these low bikes. It's just not very appealing. If I did plan on keeping this bike, I was gonna source a stock exhaust and put it back on because I don't even want to hear it because it just sounds like I don't know how to describe it, like a lawnmower. So, but if I did keep this bike, I was gonna turn it into a naked bike and just remove the whole front fairings. But as it sits, it doesn't. It's starting to grow on me to the point to where if I were to keep it, I wouldn't even. I guess I would just leave the fairings on it. These are some quality. No wonder they took a hit. That's Honda for you. But this is a little update video on what I've been doing with my time. R1 is gone. Thank God. That bike was such a headache. Placed a lot of parts on it for it to need the worst scenario work. So yeah, this is what I got. Might upload a little video riding this bike, but who knows? It'll probably be gone, most likely. But yeah, a little update video. I got this for now. Got some oil that I'm gonna be changing on this bike. So far, the bike needs, again, just the pedals there, some oil, and then possibly might do a chain and sprocket kit. But as it sits, it doesn't need too much. I'm gonna leave the miscellaneous like lights and stuff like that to the next buyer. But update video. Yep, this is comment down below if I should sell or keep this bike, or do you guys want to see content on this bike? I'm not sure how much engagement this bike was gonna get. Probably not a lot. But who knows? I mean, there's a lot of beginner riders out there, and this is a very beginner-friendly bike, so I could do some content on it. But let me know. Hope you guys are all doing well. Peace.